In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Now, if you're looking to enhance your website design with dynamic and interactive elements, you've come to the right place. Repeaters in Wix Studio are fantastic tools for displaying content that shares the same design but can be populated with different data. Let's get started with building your very own repeater. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to Wix Studio. Once you're in, select the project you want to work on, which we'll refer to as My Site 2. Now, with your site open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the editor and click on Add Elements. This option will grant you access to a variety of enhancements that you can integrate into your site. Within the Add Elements section, find and click on Layout Tools. This category includes many options for structuring your web page systematically. Inside the layout tools, you'll see an option for repeaters. Go ahead and click on it. Repeaters are what allow us to create repeating patterns of a specific design, which can then have content added dynamically. Now, with the repeaters section open, choose a layout that fits your vision for the site. It's worth spending a few minutes here, as the right layout will seamlessly integrate your data and design. Once you've selected your preferred layout, click on that layout to add it to your page. The next step involves populating the repeater with data or elements. To do this, click on Add Item within the repeater menu. This action will allow you to input multiple items, often ideal for showcasing products, services, or any list-style content. After adding the items, refine the layout by clicking on the Layout option. Here, you can adjust spacing, margins, and alignment. This is key to ensuring that the repeater matches your site's overall styling and doesn't feel out of place. Moving on, let's make the design more visually appealing. Click on Highlight to emphasize specific sections of the repeater. Then, to further beautify the repeater's appearance, click on Design. In this menu, explore various customization options such as colors and borders, ensuring every item stands out perfectly. Next, adjust the positioning by selecting Position. This will fine-tune where on the page your repeater will sit, helping create a balanced look across your web page. Once you're satisfied with these foundational settings, go back to Add Elements one more time. This time, click on Text and then choose any text layout that suits the information you plan to display. The final touch is to drag this text component directly into the repeater. This step creates uniformity across the repeater's items, ensuring all your text fields align perfectly with the design. By integrating text like this, you ensure each repeated item can convey necessary information clearly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a repeater in Wix Studio, turning static designs into dynamic web components. With these tools, your website can now efficiently display dynamic, organized content with ease. Happy designing!